Hello everyone. According to the blog post published by Google's CEO Sundar Pichai, as of now, 75% of Google code is written or generated by AI, artificial intelligence. In this blog post, he has specified like this. We have been using AI to generate code internally at Google for a while. Today, 75% of all new code at Google is now AI generated and approved by engineers, up from 50% last fall. So that growth is happening, that change is happening very fast, right? So there is a need to be familiar with using AI tools to create a code. Okay, so almost from 50% to 75%, that is very big jump, right? So it can happen in any company, right? If Google is able to follow, everyone will be following that, right? So now as a developer, everyone should know how to use AI tools effectively. So especially I already talked about various things about how to effectively use cloud code, other things, right? And even I'm doing one-on-one AI coaching to teach AI topics. And if you are interested, check my blog. You can search my blog like QPT blog, and then check one-on-one AI coaching. So here I provided the details about one-on-one AI coaching. Okay, you can go through the details. If you need any information, you can contact me by sending this email. Okay, and I can teach about AI tools and RAG, AI agents, everything. Okay, thanks for watching this video.